Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add a task to your projects in the Todoist application. So let us begin. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you navigate to your project itself here in the Todoist app. So let me do that really quickly by tapping into Browse in the bottom right corner inside the Todoist app. Next, swipe down till you get to My Projects and tap into the project you would like to edit. Let me go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. So one option would be to add a task directly through your project overview. To do that, tap into that plus button in the bottom right corner and start creating a task. Give it a title, assign a description, assign a due date or a start date below, a priority, set a reminder here, go through that menu, and yes, simply create a task and tap into that project drop-down menu here to the left to select the project you would like to assign the task to. So that's one option, guys. If you, for example, have already, let me just discard that creation menu here and return to the main menu. So let's assume you have already a couple of tasks. Let me head over to the upcoming section here, and you would like to assign these already created tasks to a project. So this is how you can do it. Simply navigate to the given task. Let me use that recurring task here, tap into it, wait for it to finish loading. And what you want to do next, guys, is tap into that menu and swipe to the left to find that option here to the very right, move to, tap into it. And from there, simply find your project. As you can see, under My Projects, you will find your project. So tap into the given one. And as you can see, the task has been moved and assigned to the project. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.